What problem?
How do you qualities, feelings, conditions, freedom,
Freedom.
justice, knowledge?
Knowledge. Those meaning?
Turn the
Freedom.
what comes excellent,
A bird flying.
excellent,
The scales.
good,
But that's still.
good,
So perhaps
excellent,
maybe a.
good.
And the person knowledge.
What or good?
Perhaps a encourage.
Imagine,
For example.
take in good,
Perhaps a. For example.
hot and cold.
I'm ready.
Remember,
What are they?
step 1. Understand. Step 2. Find its. Step 3. Choose a
Symbol.
Step 4. Add action.
Knowledge.
Glowing, very good.
Response. Courage.
Warrior, excellent.
And perhaps.
Familiar places or emotion. Perfect.
Sir.
Correct.
So I can.
You see?
A bird.
Excellent.
Can I turn it? What is it?
If you cannot,
I'm ready.
choose 10. For each word, write its